Hello, and welcome to Lifecycle Personal Finance. My name is Tommy Wong, and I'm here to teach you about money, how to spend it, how to save it, and how to master it. Now, what do you imagine when you think about mastering money? Do you think about paying off debt? Do you think about becoming rich? Do you think about buying a home? Well, mastering money has nothing to do with any of these things. Mastering money is about making choices that maximize your well-being both now and in the future. I'm a consumer finance expert. In fact, I made a career out of it in over 10 years of government service. When I graduated from college, I had over $40,000 in student loans, which I paid off in just a few years. My wife and I paid off debt together. We built monetary wealth together. We built a flock of birds together, and also have a wealth of experiences to share together as well. And I want to answer some of your questions about money. Like, how do you make saving easier? How do you prevent yourself from overspending? How do you invest? What are some of your challenges that you have with money right now? Leave a comment below. In this series, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to master your money. I'm going to teach you how to save it, how to invest it, how to spend it, how to plan for big expenses, and also how to plan some great experiences as well. If you like this video, please press like, please share with your friends. If you want to follow this series, please press subscribe and ring the bell. Cheers. And now a word from our sponsor.